Ready? You ready, please? I'm ready. I'm ready. Ready? Come on. Okay.
Yeah, fix that.
Fix what? Whoa! Okay, you can exit. Look at it. Yeah. No, don't exit. You're actually challenged. Okay. Oh my god.
I thought you were gonna do it again.
Okay, okay. Whoa! Ready? Ready? Ready?
I want a t-shirt! Get me a t-shirt.
You wanna watch it again?
Yeah. Okay. Don't go. Just press the back button.
Oh, the back button. Convenient. Again?
What else have you like?
No. It's failed.
Failed.
Maybe we should explain to our lover.
Yeah, what's happened?
Oh no! 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 No!
Don't. No.
Okay.
What? Oh my god, I love this!
It's not the video. It's just them.
I look dumb.
Hi, Bobby. Hi, Ken. You want to go for a ride?
No, that is them.
Will you not see it?
Oh, I'm gonna. It's my favorite one. Okay, we should probably stop this one. It probably looks really weird.
Oh wait, we should explain. Okay, Leanna's obsessed with the baby.
Okay, bye.
No, leave. We can watch it again. We can
Leave them.
leave them.
Yeah.
Them.
Bye.
I'm gonna say. Okay, Leanna's obsessed with the baby panda video. That's why she's spazzing. Love you.